This is a video on how to use the Flatten tool on a document and flatten text and images. So I'm in pdfDocs and I am working on a document and I want to add perhaps a signature image. Maybe it's an agreement that I need to sign and I would like to put my signature on. Absolutely fine. I can just go to my stamps and select my signature that I've already got in here. I can then choose where I want to put it and the size that it would like to be, and I can click and drag and resize it to get it just the right size on the page. And there we go, that's that there. Now, I've added this to the page. However, this is an object in the PDF, and PDF are made up of objects and layers. So this is a selectable item, and I can click and drag and move this around, which, whilst I'm creating my document, is absolutely fine. However, once I am finished with the creation phase, I want to save it and send it out. It may not be that I want to be able to let people be able to select objects within my PDFs. And that is where the Flatten tool can come in. So what we'll do is in the edit ribbon, we'll go to Flatten, click on Flatten, and it will give me a warning just to say all annotations, form fields, etc. are going to be flattened. This can't be undone once the document's saved. Are you sure? So yes, I am. I would like to flatten this, and this is really great for if I'm putting perhaps a signature onto the document, or maybe I've been filling in a form and I just want to make sure that my data that I've added to that form, for example, can't be deleted or changed. So yes, I would like to do that. And that will go about flattening the document, compressing those into one layer, and then closing and reopening the file quickly so that it can't be taken out. So now we can see that my signature is embedded on the page and I can no longer select it. So that's perfect. That's just what I was looking to do. I can take this a level further if I would like as well, and I can restrict the permissions around a PDF. So if I really want to lock this down, but without perhaps going to the full extent of adding a password to open the file, then I can add a permissions password, or maybe called a changes password. So to do that, then we can go to the protect ribbon and we can click on security and apply password security. This will open this dialog box here and it will let us choose from levels of encryption and the like. So choose the level that you're happy with, and as you'll see, we have two standard sets of security here, which is the open password. So this will be where you require a password to allow the document to be opened. So you can set that. However, that's perhaps not what's required in this case. I want other people to be able to open the file. I just don't want them to be able to edit it. So for that, I can go to the permissions section here, and I can choose to enable restrict the editing and printing of the document. So here I currently can affect whether I allow printing or whether I allow edits or changes, but I can choose what level of restrictions I would like to place on this. So if I'm happy with it being printed, I could still select whether they can print into low resolution or high resolution. And then I can choose whether I want to allow any changes. So if I'm okay with people being able to fill in forms or comment or insert pages, I can choose which ones I would like to allow. Now, in this case, on this document, I don't want to allow any of that there. And I certainly don't want to enable any copying of texts or images or anything else. So that's what I would like to have there. So I'll allow printing, but I'm not going to allow any changes. So there we go. I just need to put a password in for this now, and then click OK, and we'll be asked to reconfirm the password. So that'll be applied once the document is saved. And there we go. So now we can see that the security elements here have been applied, and we can no longer add new stamps or edits. I can't select anything here, so it just really locks that down for me so that the version won't be changed or edited after I've sent it away. So that's a good way to use the Flatten tool and also the permissions passwords to restrict editing and printing and things like that. So I hope that was useful. Thanks for your time.